How to download videos from Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application of your device and then on the search bar, just search for Discord application. This is the process to make sure that you have an updated and latest version of the app, and if you can see the option of update over here, it means that there's updates available for this app on your device. If not, it means that it is the latest version available for you in your device about the app. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of the application. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the chat as well. It will lead me to the messages. Now I want to download a video over here, so I'm just gonna tap on the video. I'm going to tap on three dotted lines at the top right of the screen. Then I'm going to see the option of save. I'm just going to tap on that. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.